In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Payoneer account even if you no longer have your phone number or don't remember your security questions. This can feel stressful, but don't worry, there is still a way to get your account back. If you've tried the normal recovery options and can't get in, the next step is to contact Payoneer support directly. Think of this as letting their team manually verify your identity. Start by sending an email to Payoneer support from the same email address you used for your account. In your message, include as many details as possible: your full name, registered email, past transaction details, account number if available, and any other information that proves ownership. The more accurate and detailed you are, the faster they can help you. Another helpful method is to reach out through Payoneer's official social media pages such as Facebook or Twitter. Send them a polite message explaining that you can't access your account because you no longer have the phone number or security answers. Again, provide identifying details so they can locate your account. Support teams handle a lot of requests, so be patient but don't hesitate to follow up politely if needed. Stay professional, calm, and cooperative throughout the process. So, in short, if you can't use your phone number or security questions, your best solution is direct verification through Payoneer support by email or social channels. With clear details and a little patience, you should be able to regain access to your account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get back into your Payoneer account smoothly.